Good day, everyone. Today, I will show you how these hackers gain access to victims' computer devices. So usually, these hackers will send email attachments, or these hackers create cracked softwares because most of people right now wants free software. So if you have free software, so the hackers has also free access to your device. And there are a lot of people right now, their information is stolen over the internet, no? There are a lot of data breaches because of this attack. So today I will show you how it works so that you will be vigilant in opening these emails, the opening this attachment from unknown sources, or using cracked softwares. That's the most common way these hackers can gain backdoor access. So how it works, I will show you how. So even though the victim species virus scanner is active, actually the hackers can create malwares that cannot be detected. They will just recompile the code, rebuild, or recode the code, rebuild it, and boom, the virus scanner cannot already detect it. They change the signatures of that executable. So in my demo, I created this payload.bat. So this is an once this is executed, it is already persistent in my machine, in the attacker's machine. Oh no, in the victim's machine. So we will show you, I will show you how, so that you will be vigilant and gain some awareness, because today data privacy, data sensitivity is very critical. We are already in the data or information age. Okay? So let's begin. So hackers will create virtual machines in the cloud. There's a lot of cloud services today. One of the most famous, we have this Amazon Web Service. So in this demo, I created my Linux virtual machine in the cloud. So what we will do, we will first set up our attacking machine. So let's connect. So via SSH. So I'm using Mobaxterm. So let's do SSH over the remote Linux. So this is my Linux remote computer. So what will the hacker do in their attacking machine? They will do is just listen from incoming connections. These incoming connections are from the victim's computer. Okay, so they will execute stty row minus echo. So we will not display any keyboard inputs in the console, and execute stty the size of the console and cat, so that it will be displayed once netcat is executed or an incoming connection has established. So netcat, they will listen. It needs to be a verbose, no DNS, and a port. So the port number that most hackers do is this port. But so at least the port, any ports that are not in conflict with other programs. So another is you add a stty sane. What is that? So that once most of these hackers, let's say, leave the shell, they will still have uh, the correct display of characters. So let's execute. So right now the attacker's PC already listening from incoming connections. Then these connections came from the payload that they send over email or send via free softwares or crack softwares. A lot of us wants free softwares, so easily once you execute those free softwares or execute those attachment from unknown sources, this is what happened. Boom. The attacker's machine has already the shell of the victim. So the attacker can easily browse the entire file system. Okay? Let's say they will go uh, to the program files. Let's say the hacker can easily browse the entire file system. What are the so easily they already have the access to your computer. So what is the next chain of attack they will do? What we call ransomware. So what will they do? They will execute. They will because they already have your computer. They will load another attacks. They will encrypt your file system, and you can never already access your data. That's why there's a lot of ransomware attacks today because of most of us wants free software, so the hackers has free access to your device and they can easily destroy your file system if they want or download some sensitive data or like your passwords. If you are fan of storing your passwords in your computer, that's very risky. So, yeah, here we go. We already have the victim's computer. Even though let's say the attacker leaves, let's say the attacker will wants to listen again. So eventually, because that payload is running persistently in the victim's PC, they will have the access anytime they want. So be careful with those cracked softwares, free softwares, no, and emails from unknown sources. So good night and let's educate your loved ones so that they will not be hacked. Thank you and have a great day, everyone.